Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Drape Desi Clothes with Rani. I'm Rani from the Netherlands. Today I'm with a new draping video. I hope all of you will enjoy it. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. It is the wedding season now, so today's draping style is for brides for their haldi ceremony. However, those who prefer lehenga during weddings can easily drape their sari in this style to make it look like a lehenga. You can even skip the blouse with this style, just like in earlier times when blouse were not a part of our traditional wear. If you are not comfortable, you can wear a strapless bra or a blouse, and of course, wear whatever you feel best for you. Open your sari and start by tucking the opposite side of the pallu from the right side of your body, I mean right hand side. Start tucking just like when you're wearing a basic sari, like that. Then make small pleats and tuck them around your waist, continuing to tuck until you reach the point where you started the first pleats. Now make pleats of the pallu, I mean achal, and neatly arrange them from top to bottom, securing them with a pin. When making the pleats of the pallu, I mean achal, make sure the right side of the border of the sari is on the outside. Now place the pallu on your left shoulder. Then open the inner part of the pallu pleat, pull it to the front to cover your chest, and then take it back. Secure it with the two safety pin at the back of your shoulder plates and one pin in the front, and you are done. I named this draping Radha Rani drape, and look how beautiful my Radha Rani looks.